Kid Museum is the best and most fun place on the whole entire universe.
What began as a small startup to support kids' learning has developed into a pioneering way to revolutionize education.
We are truly making a difference here in shaping the future of students.
Because I came to Kid Museum, it changed the way I think of science and math.
During the school week, they're not getting the chance to really use their hands, really get to build, and just let their imagination go. And when they go to Kids Museum, that's exactly what they do.
It allows people to foster a career in engineering, building, or inventing at a young age.
Kid Museum really provides them an opportunity to get involved in what they're learning.
Everyone is so excited because you really get to see learning come alive.
To have a company that believes in the importance of the mind of a maker is a dream come true.